Hey gang, Trish at Seacoast Harley-Davidson. How are you? Just thought I'd let you know that we have a few things that you can do indoors now that we're getting a lot of snow and it's coming down and you can't go outside and do a lot of stuff. So we just got in some dartboards. This one is your traditional orange and black Harley-Davidson with the bar and shield up in the corners all the way around. And then the other one we just got in is your Willie G dartboard. It's gray and white and black. Willie G skull in the middle. And still the bar and shields on the sides. We do have some darts here. So you can come in, you can get the board and the darts. And then we have some puzzles. This one, if you notice, has a whole bunch of different poker chips on it from all over the country. So that's kind of fun. Lots of color, lots of things to look at. This one I feel like would be a little harder because it's just black and orange. It's the bar and shield and white. And then we believe it's two-sided because there's the orange. There's the white background with the bar and shield and the black and orange on it. And then the other thing, one of my favorite things to do is play dominoes. And it's in a really cool, nice case. Dominoes all have the bar and shield. Sorry, I did that upside down. I think it's double nines. And then we have these little books that you can keep all your scores in. At my house, we keep scores for a long time. We have books that we just continue page on page with everybody so we can look back and see who really is the winner. It's not me, but whatever. All right, so come on in, see us. We miss you all. See you soon. Bye. Hey guys, just me again. I just looked. It's a double 6, not a double 9. So see you soon. Bye.